Hey guys, it's me. I'm going to be doing my April things I got free in the mail. This video will not be very long because I didn't get but like 4 items this month. I'm not sure what's up with that, but I thought I'd go over them and show them with y'all. Anyway, sorry about my makeup. I live in the South. This has been, like, the last week or so has been the most horrible allergy craziness ever. My eyes are, like, watering. I can't hardly put anything, so I'm not wearing any eyeshadow. It just runs right down my face. It's horrible. So, let's just get into the stuff I got in the mail. Alright, I got this little sweepstakes box, and it says Radiant Wishes Sweepstakes. This one I can't remember, really entering this. I mean, it probably came from, Free Flies or something like that. But what I got, which was really cool, is this Suave Moroccan Infusion Lotion. It's like their new, they came out with a Moroccan Infusion shampoo and conditioner, which I had some samples of, and I really like it. I really love the way that it smells, and so I was excited to get this, and it smells just like the shampoo. So, yeah, it smells pretty awesome. It's very, summery, I would say, beachy smelling. So, I just love the way it smells. It also came with a $2 off coupon for the full size, and it looks like they're going to have more stuff. They've got a lotion, a body oil, and something else in the middle that I can't really tell what it's supposed to be. So, if I were y'all, I'd keep my eyes out for that. This stuff smells awesome, and it's, it leaves your hand really smooth too. So that's that. And it was kind of like a lotion month, I guess, for free samples, because I got 2 of these Nivea type samples, and really this one's Aquaphor, but I didn't know that apparently Nivea and Aquaphor are the same people, because it came, the envelope says Nivea Eucerin, Nivea Men, and Aquaphor. So, but what I got was one of these Extended Moisture 48-hour samples of lotion. Okay, and on the back it has a coupon for $1 off a Nivea lotion product. And then I got a sample of this Aquaphor Lip Protectorant with the SPF 30. I'm not really sure how you're supposed to use this one. This feels like more than one application, but I don't know how you're not going to be able to refill that. So I'm not sure exactly how successful that packaging is, but I will use those because I like Aquaphor. I like Aquaphor's my stuff. So I got a Pinch Me box, and it only has one thing in it because, like I told y'all, I think last time, I've been having trouble catching it in time to get something. I get the email about midway through Tuesday. It's like, hey, new things are there. And by the time I get on the website, everything's gone. So, whatever. I mean, it's still free stuff, so it's not like I'm going to gripe too much about it. I got this, it's called HelioCare. That's what it looks like in these pills. There's 2 in there, and they just sent, this thanks for, hope you love your sample type thing. It comes in every box. And then this came with it as well. It just tells you can get it at Walgreens, Rite Aid, excuse me. Like I said, allergy craziness. What this does is, supposedly, it's supposed to help maintain your skin's ability to protect itself against sun damage. It's an antioxidant, which is supposed to reduce the harmful effect of free radicals. It's supposed to basically add an extra thing of, sun resistance to help your skin. I'm not really sure. I mean, and I don't know that, 2, are really going to be able to, show, you're not going to be able to tell the difference of 2 pills, but, that's kind of a neat, we have this at work, and it's pretty popular, so, I'll probably try that. And that is all of the stuff I got from Free Samples. I'm hoping the next month more stuff will come in, because, you know, a lot of that stuff takes 4 to 6 weeks. So, I'm getting it in all the time. But, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Just give me a thumbs up. Thanks.